I'm Brittany with WTI, and nowadays we depend so much on our electronics to work, relax, and that's why I really like this Elitehood aluminum tablet holder. It does such a great job holding on to the sides of it, and you can turn easily vertical or horizontal. The vice grip goes great for if you're wanting to attach it to a table, to your headboard. My headboard doesn't have enough of a lift, so I actually connected it to the shelf that's on the side of my headboard, and I was able to use it that way. If you're like me and you do a lot of work, your home kind of becomes your office. Really has helped me with that. I can set up a nice cozy spot on the couch and I can get some work done. And even if my neck or my back starts hurting or I get a little tired, I can even lay back and situate it so that I can continue work or take a break and relax for a little bit and not put any strain on your neck, your back, or your hands or arms. Perfect for any video conference calls because you can easily situate it and push it back if you're more than one person. I really love this. It's easy to set up. And to have it in front of you when you need to get up, it's easy to push it to the side and get up and get anything that you need to get done. I highly recommend it, especially for someone who does a lot of things on their tablet, either for work or for recreation. And that's my point of view.